face shake you're going swimming?
Okay.
Swim, Catherine, swim!
You decide to have ice cream in the next 10 minutes so I can use a little bowl.
Maybe.
I'm gonna get my jacket all day.
Swim, 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 and stroke, and 1, and 2, and...
In the way. Oh boy. I can't do it no more.
You can't swim. Swim, Catherine!
Somebody hit me.
It's a shark!
I don't want to get eaten by a shark. Oh. No!
Go, Catherine, go!
You're gonna fall.
I'm sorry. Go, Catherine! The sharks are going to get you.
Oh boy.
Keep going.
Okay. Ow! Oh boy. Don't do this. It hurts your boobs. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Catherine, you're getting eaten. I can't see your feet. Catherine! Catherine!
India, what's up with the box? I found some dryer sheets and a tube and a oh boy. That didn't make it as far as I wanted it to go. Okay, I think I just dusted your face.